The storm hit the city of Volta Redonda and caused flooding in several parts of the municipality. According to civil defense, the most affected areas were Vila Santa Cecilia, Aterrado, Retiro and Vila Brasilia. In Vila Santa Cecilia, the Brandão River burst its banks and flooded Route 33. In the Retiro area near the subprefecture, several streets were flooded. Roads were also flooded in the Akudé area. Due to heavy rains, 4 houses were preventively closed. 2 are in the Dorado area and 2 in the Belo Horizonte area. The ban was introduced due to the risk of landslide in areas adjacent to residential buildings. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, see you soon.